Welcome to the IVM Podcast Network.
You're listening to TFG Fantasy Cricket.
Well, hello everyone. Welcome to the brand new episode of TFG Fantasy Cricket Podcast. आज हम PSL को थोड़ा सा अलग रखेंगे. We will be looking at international matches. Basically, South Africa is touring New Zealand और Sri Lanka is touring Australia to play the Big Bash.
Big Bash.
Big Bash की टीम है. हाँ, तो हम टाइम वाइज जाएंगे. पहला we'll discuss about New Zealand versus South Africa क्योंकि वो start होगा around 10 o'clock IST Indian Standard Time.
That's correct.
And जो बिग बैश ऑस्ट्रेलिया वाली जो मैच है वो स्टार्ट होगी बिग बैश के टाइम पे, मतलब 2 बजे के आसपास.
पहले लोगों को ये बता दे कि 2 ऑस्ट्रेलियन टीम है. एक यहाँ पे बॉम्बे में है
अभी फिलहाल मुंबई में. हाँ,
एंड वन ऑब्वियसली इज इन मेलबर्न. सो
खुश मत हो जाना और दुखी भी मत हो जाना वहां पे स्टार्क आपको वार्नर नहीं दिखे तो.
हाँ, बिल्कुल नहीं दिखेंगे. और अगर आप डिमांड करोगे कि नहीं पोर्टल में उनको दिखाया जाए, रिफ्लेक्ट किया जाए, तो वो नामुमकिन है. बट जोक्स apart, I think it's the first time history being created, Nikhil.
Yeah.
We are seeing 2 Australian teams playing 2 different formats in 2 different countries. Just goes to show the tremendous depth these guys have and what variety. But आपने सही कहा, ये बिग बैश वाली टीम है और हमारा बड़ा सक्सेसफुल टाइम रहा. हमने कुछ 40-45 दिन गुजारे. बहुत फायदा हुआ. उम्मीद करते हैं कि आप लोग को भी. And so
yeah, let's go ahead. New Zealand versus South Africa. काफी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड टीम होगी. थोड़ा सा इश्यूज है न्यूजीलैंड के बॉलर्स में.
नहीं है, स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड नहीं है निखिल. एक्चुअली मैं देख रहा था, प्रॉब्लम मुझे आती है न्यूजीलैंड पर. हमेशा पता नहीं चलता यार, बहुत अनप्रेडिक्टेबल है. इट्स यू डोंट नो हु विल प्ले, हु विल बी बेंच्ड, एंड बिकॉज इट्स ओनली अ वन ऑफ T20, देयर इज नो मेथड.
Okay.
So I don't know. It's like anybody can play on that given day. But if you go back into the record books, especially the bowling, the Kiwi bowling, Wheeler, Ferguson, Saudi, Bolt, these guys have been rotated. Not so much in the batting department, all the all-rounders department. Spinners again, Sodhi, Santner, shuffling happens. तो
और न्यूजीलैंड का हिस्ट्री है. I mean they don't really know who their playing 11 are.
Never.
Till the time they
never.
do
I
the
think
toss.
one of the toughest when it comes to playing fantasy cricket is picking a New Zealand team. I'm pretty sure उनके कप्तान को भी ये खबर नहीं होती लास्ट मोमेंट तक कि कोई इंजर्ड हो गया, कोई बाथरूम में एक्स्ट्रा टाइम नहा लिया तो वो बाहर नहीं आया, किसी को भूख ज्यादा लग गई. तो वी हैव सीन सम फनी रीजंस कम आउट, बट that's how it is. You have to make a team because I just feel this match, मैंने कहाँ पढ़ा था कि the weather is also pretty poor.
Okay.
I think there is something happening in Harare. Bad weather. Something in Auckland, मेरे ख्याल से कल मैच वहाँ पे है. बहुत चोट लगी थी, गहरी चोट थी जब लास्ट टाइम साउथ अफ्रीका वेयर इन ऑकलैंड. So poor weather again. Bombay also is terrible, oppressive in fact. So ये वेदर का चक्कर मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता यार.
उसके बारे में हम अलग पॉडकास्ट करेंगे ऑन वेदर. ठीक है, चलो मूविंग अहेड. विकेट कीपर स्लॉट इज वेरी मच easy pick. Quinton de Kock straight away. You go into the batsman department, you have all full-fledged South African team over there.
You have to. Faf might play 3-4. AB will be floater, and then the 2 openers in de Kock and Hashim Amla. Hashim Amla के बारे में क्या बोले यार. वो किंग्स 11 के साथ उसने जो पारी खेली थी 98. प्रीति जिंटा को मैंने ऐसे खुश बहुत कम देखा है मैंने उसको, क्योंकि टीम मौका नहीं देती उसे खुश रहने की. फिल्मों में भी आजकल चांस नहीं मिल रही. तो एनीवे, सो शी इज गॉन थ्रू अ लॉट. सो दैट्स. पर हशीम आमला आई थिंक is a bit of a risky pick, Nikhil, because Farhan Behardine, who was their captain, is on the threshold of being benched. That is if Miller comes through his fitness test. So you don't know whether they'll open with Amla or not. Even if he opens, there is always a doubt. So I'll just leave him and I'll pick Faf to AB and Quinton ahead of Amla. Talking about New Zealand, you obviously pick Kane Williamson, the eternal favorite. एंड रही बात उनके मिडिल ऑर्डर की, कोरी एंडरसन, कॉलिन मुनरो और टॉम ब्रूस, इन तीनों के बीच आपको चूज करना है. और मेरे ख्याल में दिस इज अगेन it's a flip of the coin, Nikhil, between Munro and Anderson.
Okay.
They are very temperamental. भरोसा बहुत ही कम कर सकते हैं आप उन पे, लेकिन ये टूर्नामेंट ही ऐसा है, ये फॉर्मेट ही ऐसा है कि भाई आपको करना पड़ेगा. And Tom Bruce had a terrific series against Bangladesh, if you remember. Batting in the middle order, he did very well. So we pick him. Obviously, budget constraint होने वाली है जब दो अच्छे टीम खेलते हैं, तो प्रॉब्लम आती है आपको. So I think predominantly a batsman oriented team will be better, and I say this for two reasons. One is because of the weather, and ये बड़ा weird ground है. आप अगर देखो उसको तो ये कभी फुटबॉल भी खेल सकते हैं वहाँ पे, आप रग्बी भी खेल सकते हो, बहुत कुछ कर सकते हो वहाँ पे. अगर एक बड़ा स्क्रीन लग जाएगा तो एक सिनेमा हॉल भी बन जाएगा. तो it's a very funny dimension. And many a times you see high scoring in one part of the ground. So I expect the batsmen to go hammer on tongs.
That means Colin Munro.
मालूम नहीं, मटका है यार, पूरा मटका है ये. Munro and Anderson, you don't know, but we've gone for Munro purely because he scored, I think, 100. You remember that 100 because of which he got transferred to Sydney. So that was it.
Okay. Going into the all-rounder spot.
Yeah. Santner.
Okay. Chris Morris भी है, Colin de Grandhomme भी है.
ये धोखा है यार, ये मतलब इनका
Is
कुछ
JP Duminy travelling?
JP Duminy is there.
Okay.
Yes, I wouldn't pick him. I'm not too sure about how much he'll have to contribute with both bat and ball. So उनका नंबर 1 स्पिनर सैंटनर है. हालांकि मैं ये बात से बिल्कुल सहमत नहीं हूँ. मुझे लगता है कि इस सोदी को होना चाहिए. Because you just look at the previous matches and he's done extremely well. And he made a mark for himself a few years ago in India, I remember, against, this was ये नागपुर में मैच था मेरे ख्याल से, correct?
सबको याद है वो.
याद है ना? Yeah. So Santner and Sodhi. But again, उनका bowling में बहुत जबरदस्त depth है निखिल. And because they have a long test series and they like to keep their bowlers fresh for the longer format of the game. And that's where you can be tricked in. So make sure that you don't waste. Tried and tested एक तरफ है, logic एक तरफ है. तो yes, that's
And bowler spot?
Has to be Tahir, because in my opinion, I think he's climbed up the charts.
Okay.
If I'm not wrong, he's the number 1 bowler today. So he is the default choice along with him. Oh,
Will you risk his Sodhi?
No, I won't. Because you don't want to play a handicap in T20.
Okay.
I won't do that because Santner gives me stability for sure. And वो तो खेलने ही वाला है 11 में. सोदी का बड़ा पंगा, आप लो फिर फंस जाओ, 8.5 करोड़ दे दो, बाद में यार फिर दिक्कत हो जाएगी.
Okay.
तो रबाड़ा क्रिस मॉरिस,
okay,
better choice. Rabada again, if they think they should rest him and play Andile Felukwayo.
Rest him for the first match.
The only match.
Yeah.
Because you're looking at one-dayers and test matches. So it could be funny selection. Morris, Tahir and Trent Bolt. Trent Bolt सऊदी का बड़ा पंगा है.
दोनों में से
अगर मन करे विलियमसन को तो दोनों को भी बिठा देगा. तो यही मसला है.
पर वो इंडिया नहीं है ना, दोनों को बिठा के इस सऊदी और
फिर भी वो लोग जीते और ऐसे जीते कि सारी दुनिया देखती रहेगी.
So is the team finalized?
Pretty much, I would say, including the captain and vice captain. Captain, I should say, Quinton de Kock, the front runner for the spot. Vice captain का अगर आपको 2-3 potential candidates बता दूं, should be somebody like an AB de Villiers, because in a T20 format you always fancy him. Somebody like a Kane Williamson, who might not go berserk, but just pure class, man. He spends about 6 to 7 overs at the crease, and I think you've got a pretty decent bunch of fantasy points coming your way.
Okay.
So don't do anything funny.
Okay.
The weather is going to be a little poor, so wait and watch.
Right.
So this is pretty much the makeup of our team. I think ज़्यादा कुछ changes नहीं होने वाले हैं. हमने काफी सारे reports पढ़ लिए, but like you know, sport में कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है. And we still have about, I think, 15 odd hours to go for the match to begin. So this is what it is for the time being.
Okay. हमारे साइट पे ध्यान रखिएगा, वहाँ पे हमारा आर्टिकल आ सकता है कभी भी. By this time, I think by 6 o'clock it should be out.
Should be 6 o'clock. हम आपको गारंटी नहीं देते 6 बजे, क्योंकि बहुत सारे मैचेस है. We have quite a few PSL matches happening in Dubai, Sharjah. So it's going to be tough, but we'll try and make sure that latest by 8-9 in the evening it's up.
Cool.
So that you have enough time.
ओके ऑस्ट्रेलिया वर्सेस श्रीलंका. यहाँ पे सबसे बड़ा डिबेट है टीम पेन वर्सेस बेन डंक. Until and unless you are a श्रीलंकन फैन, तुम डिक्वेला तो लेने नहीं वाले हो.
I'll tell you, you pick Niroshan Dikwala, man. Upul Taranga, these guys have a lot of talent. So I really hope people know who I'm referring to. But yeah, so Sri Lanka again, they were humiliated in South Africa. And they're going for further humiliation to Australia. If I was the board president, I would pull my boys back and say, "तुम घर बैठो, please वहाँ मत जाओ. तुम ये तो यार डूबती हुई नहीं है पूरी." I think
no, but Malinga is back. Okay,
you should be celebrating.
Of course,
not the Sri Lankans.
I'm really happy he's back because IPL start होने वाला है तो ये warm up games है.
That is smartness, man. There you go. So yes, it's a perfect warm-up tournament, a launching pad, I should say, for these guys. Australia का अगर आप makeup देखो, Nikhil, it's purely driven on BBL performance. Like we said, the marquee guys are here: Steven Smith, Mitchell Starc, Josh Hazelwood.
Here in the Cincinnati.
Okay. At the moment, Brabant Stadium. You and I, we are lucky. We could go 30-35 minutes and we'll be watching them.
Yeah.
But T20 एक अलग, इसको अलग नजरिए से देखना होगा आपको ये टीम को, क्योंकि काफी नई है, बहुत रॉनेस है ये टीम में. एंड यू लुक एट द स्ट्रेंथ, देयर आर मैच विनर्स, देयर इज फॉकनर, देयर इज फिंच, देयर इज क्लिंगर. कैन यू बिलीव, निखिल, सो मेनी इयर्स स्लॉगिंग इन डोमेस्टिक क्रिकेट एंड क्लिंगर माइट जस्ट मेक हिज डेब्यू.
Yeah, totally.
And he's a bash hero. So Klinger will open with Aaron Finch, and there is Travis Head in the lineup. You have Ashton Turner. Ashton Turner might be the unlucky guy to miss out because it's a 13-man squad and only 11 can.
Henry Case है.
Henry Case is there, absolutely. And bowling में भी बहुत सारे options है. Cummins, Richardson.
So then tell me one thing, Vivek. अगर Finch और Klinger open करेंगे, where will this team Payne or Bendung be?
That is the problem. I don't know how they're going to slot. I see Finch opening for sure because he's a genuine opener. And then you have 3 more other openers playing for 3 different franchises.
In BBL.
So it's going to be a good fight. I somehow get a feeling Klinger will, because he has done very well opening and he likes that spot. That's where I think he's going to express himself. Payne, Dunk, although they are proven openers, I think they'll have to bat in the middle order. Not to say they can't play the anchor role.
Select कौन होगा?
Select तो मैंने कहा आपसे, Ashton Turner could be the unlucky guy to miss out. One. Billy Stanlake, the other guy. There could be a toss-up between Stanlake and Richardson. But if I was, purely because this guy didn't do well against Pakistan, I would bench him. But again, you and I, we are not the selectors. But I see Andrew. इंजर्ड भी हुआ था, दैट्स करेक्ट. नो, फिटनेस में प्रॉब्लम हो गया था. इंजरी और फिटनेस में बहुत फर्क है यार. तुम गलत खाना खाओ और आके प्यूक मारो तो वो तुम्हारी गलती है. सो दैट वाज द प्रॉब्लम. एंड आई थिंक James Faulkner is a very interesting choice. Adam Zampa is going to be the X factor, the only spinner. So you don't drop him, you straight away pick him. And talk about the Sri Lankans. Lasith Malinga, Asila Gunaratne did very well against South Africa. Upul Taranga has been going through a very interesting patch. Then
you pick Malinga, आग बंद करके?
Yeah, you pick Malinga surely because he's going to bowl 4 overs. Yep. He's going to be the leader. But you look at the bowling. There is Kulasekera, there is Sandakan. I'm not too sure about Lahiru Kumara in this format. So
you go for 4 Sri Lankan players.
We pick only 4.
Okay.
सिर्फ केवल 4 ही लेना. 4 से ज्यादा लेना नहीं, क्योंकि महंगा पड़ सकता है, पहली बात. और अगर ना खेले तो फिर तो आप बस you're playing the chasing game. So pick majority of these Australians. Travis Head. Now this is a very interesting selection. You might have to omit him for 2 reasons. One is there is no role clearly defined. Now that could be a problem. ये जब chop and changes करते हो ना, तो अक्सर क्या होता है, एक इंडिविजुअल पे भारी पड़ता है. And somehow I feel sorry for this guy. ऐसे हो सकता है in this series. I'm saying 3 matches. And then when you have the normal team coming back, things could go back to...
Yeah.
So, Travis Head, you might have to miss out on him.
But you still haven't answered my question.
Because I'm unsure.
Team Payne versus Ben Dunn.
Because I'm
कौन
unsure.
आएगा? कौन खेलेगा? कौन बैठेगा?
I'll go for Payne.
So
I'll go for
instead,
Payne. I'll tell you the logic behind it. So Ben Dunk was the last moment selection, and he came in only because Chris Lynn got injured. हाँ नहीं तो दरवाजा नहीं खुलता. So logic tells you if somebody is only an option, he or she doesn't get the first preference.
Okay.
That's my logic. So that's where I picked Tim Payne.
काफी जन ऐसा भी करेगा कि इसमें इतना confusion है, they might go for Dick Villa.
यहाँ ले लो. ले लो.
Open करेगा?
हक से हाँ open
Open
करेगा.
करेगा?
100% open करेगा. But I don't see him succeeding in Australia, Nikhil. Or he might take a good 2-3 matches to get acclimatized to the conditions. So it's too early.
चलो फिर टीम पेन ले लिया, कहाँ खेलेगा वो? कौन से लाइन पे खेलेगा?
3 या 4 पे खेल सकता है. At the end of the day, मेरे को लगता है इनको कीप करना है. पॉइंट्स वहां से मिलने वाले हैं. डिकवेला अगर एक अच्छी बॉल आती है निखिल, इफ यू आर आउट देन एंड वन ऑफ दीज टू गो crazy, you're always on the back foot.
Okay.
So you avoid that situation completely.
Okay.
So yeah, I think
So our
Tim
bowlers
Payne,
are Malinga, Cummins, Zampa, Ty.
yeah, that's correct.
Okay.
Yes, and all-rounder James Faulkner and Asela Gunaratne. हंसना नहीं, नाम पे हंस रहा है कि किस पे हंस रहा है यार?
नहीं कुछ नहीं, वो ट्रेविस हेड देखने के बाद ऐसा वो ढूंढना पड़ रहा है ऐसे लगुना रखने
नहीं होता ना, क्योंकि हाँ तो हम हमारे जो लिसनर्स है उनको बता दे, यू कैन ओनली पिक 7 मैक्सिमम, यू कांट पिक 8. सो दैट्स हाउ इट इज. कैप्टन, वाइस कैप्टन, यूनिवर्सल एरन फिंच, आई वुड से. वाइस कैप्टन we'll have to think. So because this starts at, I think we still have 20-24 hours to go.
And too many options.
Far too many options, man. But what I can tell you is it's a big ground. The Sri Lankans, उनको भागने में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होने वाली है because they are not very smart runners. Fitness की तो बात हम कर ही नहीं रहे अभी. And that's where I think Australia will cash in. Okay. So besides 4s and 6s, the swift running between the wickets can give you a lot of points. And if you pick the top order guys, obviously you are in for a very, very good show.
Okay, so guys. Time constraint होने के कारण we won't be able to touch upon PSL, but do keep
PSL for the Friday game.
Yeah.
And
PSL
that's
for
a
the
double header. And like you know already, Saturday, Sunday हम नहीं करते.
हाँ, प्लीज डोंट आस्क दोस क्वेश्चंस. क्यों नहीं करते? सैटरडे का पॉडकास्ट किधर है?
एक्चुअली करना तो हम चाहेंगे, करना तो है हमें.
सो कीप योर आई ऑन आवर वेबसाइट thefangarage.com. वहां पे हमारे आर्टिकल्स तो टाइम बाय टाइम पे अप हो जाएंगे. एंड फॉलो अस ऑन ट्विटर, TFG Fantasy 11, रोमन लेटर वाला XI है वहां पे. एंड ऑन फेसबुक एज फैंटेसी पंडित. हमारा पॉडकास्ट इंडस वॉक्स मीडिया, साउंड क्लाउड, iTunes, ऑडियो बूम और YouTube सब जगह पे अवेलेबल है. कमेंट कीजिए. विल टॉक अ लॉट ऑन कमेंट्स. काफी सारे मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं. जीत जाओगे तो यार प्लीज एक मैसेज कर देना कि yes,
वैसे ही करते हैं ना.
yes. Till then, take care. Bye bye.
Hey man, just help me out, man. I need some podcast, man. I haven't had a fix in a week. Just need some.
Don't you worry about it. I got podcasts galore for you, man. Just go to ivmpodcast.com. You can also find us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
Thanks, man. I'm gonna check it out.